Welcome to Giulio's bar. Today we're gonna see 3 alternatives to the Mojito, the mother. So everybody's telling me that Giulio's videos are too long, so I'm here to fix that, because everybody says, I don't have 20 minutes to watch some video that give me insight and perspective on how to build a better cocktail. I'd rather have 3 minutes video that give me content that I can get anywhere on the internet with worse cinematography and bad sound. So here we go, let's go! Mint Julep, pewter tankard, mint, sugar, water, muddle, crushed ice, whiskey, stir, taste, classic, Baileys, shaker, mint, gin, lime, grapefruit, ice, shake, decorate, drink, sour and fruity. Next, cucumber mint gimlet, mint, cucumber, agave, muddle, gin, ice, shake, strain, decorate, drink, fresh, summer. There you go, I fixed Giulio's channel. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Hey, I bet Giulio's was here. And he had some fun with mint. Let's see what he did. This looks like a mint julep, but he's missing a decoration. Should we decorate it? Cheers. Good job by Giulio on this one. We just missed the decoration. He did use the rye whiskey instead of bourbon, but he did use Wood Reserve, which is the official sponsor of Kentucky Derby. So right brand, not exactly the right whiskey, but I would think close enough. Of course, the mint julep is a drink that's really popular in the southern part of the United States, and especially at Kentucky Derby, where it's served in these pewter containers, maybe not tankards like this. This tankard, by the way, is a pewter, and it's from Singapore, which apparently is a big producer of pewter. And as you have a really cold drink inside pewter, it will make like a icy surface, which is a good feeling, especially in a hot climate. This drink is a classic. It's really good, and I'm surprised how well Giulio made the crushed ice. He really put some effort in it. Then we have the Baileys, which has several juices, grapefruit, lime, and gin. And for this one, I think Giulio went for Old Tom gin. Old Tom gin is a gin which, to me, tastes pretty much like a normal gin, but just a bit sweeter. So by using Old Tom gin, Giulio skipped on the sugar in this drink to have a really sour taste. And actually, let's see what he got. This goes down like just juice. Yes, 45 milliliter of gin. This gin comes at 43%, and oh my god, it's super easy to drink. This has to go right now. Love the combination of mint and grapefruit. Really nice. And then as last one, I think he made a cucumber and mint gimlet. Wait. This is weird. Something wrong with this. He forgot to put the lime. Giulio! Whatever, I think I have to remake this. So let's remake the cucumber and mint gimlet. Of course, at the only mention of cucumber, you could be like, what? Cucumber in a drink? But actually, Hendrix made a whole business about making gin tonic with cucumber, and associating their brand with lots of cucumber drinks. And it's actually really working. I mean, it worked. They are one of the biggest brands nowadays. Hendrick's gin is awesome. It go well both in a martini, where I usually like a drier gin, and it also goes really well in a gin tonic, where I usually want a more complex flavor. So I guess they just nailed the formula and their marketing campaign. But let's start with some mint. About 10 leaves. These are especially tiny leaves, so I'm gonna put, I don't know, a few sprigs. Okay, I think that's about right. Now we need to slice some peeled cucumber. I'm gonna use about a third. I'm gonna peel it and then slice it in smaller pieces that are easier to muddle together with the mint. Let's put it in our drink. Let's squeeze one whole lime. A bit more actually. I just add a bit more. Let's squirt in some agave syrup. Not too much because
I'm trying to watch my figure.
Then 45 milliliters of Hendrick's. And in this case, your choice of gin is really important. I don't know how well it's gonna work in over gin. Let's get some ice and let's give it a shake. Let's double strain it in our cocktail glass. And let's decorate it with a cute mint sprig. There you go. A cucumber and mint gimlet. Cheers. Awesome. So refreshing, so summery. All these drinks are great. All better for sure than a mojito. So thanks to Giulio for starting this out. He made a few mistakes along the way. He didn't give you any specific about anything he did, but I guess I will put the details for the ingredients and recipe right after this. So smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, type your heart out in the comments, do whatever you want, shake yourself a drink, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.